Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to increase product visibility on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter selling section at the bottom side of the screen, and then open your listing summary. So if you want to increase product visibility, the first thing that you want to start with is photos. So you need to upload high quality and clear images from multiple angles. So in my case, I can sell sneakers, and you see that eBay offers me that I upload some images of inner sides, outer sides, from the front, back, top, bottom, and so on and so on. So these photos should be clear, not blurry, and they need to be high quality. Then of course the title. So use popular keywords, include brand of your item, model, size, and please avoid special characters. So here is the category. Set the condition of your item. Be honest about your condition so that in future there will be no problems with your buyer. Item specifics, also fill in all the item specifics. And here is the interesting part, the description. So your description should be rich on keywords. Also, it should be honest and detailed. Simply mention all the features of your item, benefits, and any extras. And to save, press Done button. Under the pricing section, if you want to improve your visibility, you can enable offers to your buyers. So this will attract more views and potential buyers. So buyers can negotiate about your price. So this is offers. Press Done button to save any changes. Here preferences, and here you can promote your listing by moving the slider to the right. So basically promoting your listing gives your item higher placement in the search result for a small fee. And also, when talking about shipping, you can suggest free shipping if it's of course possible, because all buyers love free shipping, and this makes your listing more appealing and can improve ranking. And finally, maintain positive feedback and fast responses to your buyers, and keep an eye on traffic reports for each item to see how changes affect visibility, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So that's basically how you can increase product visibility on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.